Let us know saprotrophic plants. The mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrients in solution form from dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. Plants which use saprotrophic modes of nutrition are called saprotrophs. Example is fungi. Fungi derive their food from dead and decaying matter. It's found on the bread on the decaying bread. Let us know about symbiotic plants. Some organisms live together and share shelter and nutrients. This is called symbiotic relationship. For example, certain fungi live in the roots of trees. These trees provide nutrients to the fungus and in return receive help from it to take up water and nutrients from the soil. This association is very important for the tree. Inorganism called lichen, a chlorophyll containing partner which is an alga and a fungus live together. The fungus provides shelter, water and mineral to the alga and in return the alga provide food which it prepare by photosynthesis. It is a symbiotic relationship. And if we see difference between parasite and saprotrophs, there has been given some points. Parasite derive nutrients from the body of some other living organism. They derive nutrients from dead and decaying organism. They use the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. They use saprotrophic mode of nutrition. They mostly live on or in the host. They live on dead and decaying stuff. Example, Cuscuta, its example is fungi. This is the difference between parasite and saprotrophs. Let's know some important point. Food is needed by an organism for many purposes. First is it provide energy for doing physical work. It help in growth and development of the body. It helps to repair damaged tissue. It protect our body from diseases. Green plants synthesize their food themselves by the process of photosynthesis. They are autotrophs. Solar energy is stored in the form of food in the leaves with the help of chlorophyll. Oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. Oxygen released in photosynthesis is utilized by living organisms for their survival. Last point is a few plants and all animals are depend on other for their nutrition and are called heterotrophs. So this lesson is completed. Stay home and stay safe.